the so-called the warmer barrels.
Yeah.
I always buy for fun.
So what I was saying is we have a solar arrangement. In fact, they set it up. They'll help me explain.
Hi. Great. So I'm actually doing my rounds around the area, and all we did was provide running electricity when there's no power coming from the grid, which means that this store is able to have 5 fluorescent tubes lighting and 3 fridges running when there's no power.
Oh my goodness, so is it like a generator or something?
No, it's actually a grocery power package, which comes with a 1.2 kVA inverter and 4 228-inch batteries. It also has an option for solar panels in case you want to install solar directly.
My uncle actually owns a mini mart in Riverside. Do you think this can work for him?
Most definitely, you can actually keep in touch with me.
Oh, thank you.
Alright, let me start my maintenance job here.
For all your solar batteries, solar products, and automotive batteries, visit the Exide eShop on chloride.com.zm or call us on 0974 or 0978 060606. Exide, the battery of choice.